In Samsung Galaxy S24 or S25, the stickers are saved in the gallery of your Samsung device only. But you can't see those stickers directly in the gallery of your Samsung device. Now there are certain ways by which you can see the stickers. If you are in the gallery of your Samsung device, open any picture. After that, tap on this edit icon here and then tap on this stickers. Select stickers and tap on this gallery icon here and you will be able to see all the stickers here. Now if you are in applications where you can write the text such as messages application, then what you do is open any message, tap on this text message box here, tap on this emoji icon here, and then you have to tap on this Gemini icon here and you will be able to see the stickers. If you want to use them, you can just select it and then use the sticker.